Hello everyone, Nigel with you, Nigel's Modelling Bench. Welcome along, welcome to the channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe. So here we are now with part 37, and this is going to be covering pack 50, where we're going to build our remote control. So as usual, have a look at the magazine. Here's all your contact details. If you want to find out more about this, please use the link in the description below. It lets DeAgostini know that I've sent you, and then they'll keep sending me these bits to build this beautiful model in front of your very eyes. Right, thanks to a major contribution from Jackie Stewart, hired for the occasion, Ferrari won the title on the British circuit, beating Porsche, which had gone into the decisive race with a 1-point lead. Wow. There's a lovely GT40 and a 330 P4. Very nice indeed. Ferrari Enzo High Performance was based on the high-speed coupes that had made the brand famous over the years. So there we go. Very, very special car indeed. Okay, so remote control. Here is the pack. Here are the parts. Plastic trays. Plastic bags. All great for the environment, eh? Slide that out of there. Right. So we have a stack of plastic trays. I have literally just filmed parts 34, 5 and 6. And as you can see, what we'll do is we'll take these parts, we'll take these parts out of here. And as you can see, I've now got a nice stack of plastic trays for recycling, which takes up room in the little recycling bin as well. Right, so we've got all that. It requires a CR2032 battery, not supplied. We're not going to put that in yet because obviously we're going to have it sat around and the battery might leak or something, you never know. Right, take the top shell, inner side up, put the light on, take the top shell inner side up, and the panel button 50D, 50A has a post there that will go into that hole, so this is basically going to drop down in like that. And you're going to make sure that all the buttons go through, just like so. Okay, so there's all your buttons in your remote, looking lovely. Alright, so that post is in that hole there. Now we're going to take a circuit board, and again we've got the post. Alright, so we've got 3 switches there that aren't used, I'm guessing. So that's going to go in like that. Okay, and then we're going to fit the rear cover. So does that just snap on? Position the remote circuit board, put the central pin through the hole, take the bottom shell and press it onto the top with the slot face circled at the bottom edge. So that's going to go on. Something doesn't feel right. Yeah, the circuit board is no longer on that pin. Oops. So that's quite awkward actually. And that circuit board can also move around, so make sure it's central. And make sure you don't press on the keys. I think that's what I did. I touched the keys on the back, and I've pushed the circuit board off its location. There we go. So that's all good. And then we've got our battery holder here, and that is going to go in there like that. Okay, and then to get it out, you're going to basically get a little screwdriver or something, or a fingernail, which I don't have. Just push that little catch in. Alright, so there we go, that's our remote done. So that's it. If I'd have known it was just that quick, I would have tagged it onto the end of pack 49. I'm sorry about that. Hang on. Retrieve the chassis, connect the wiring coming out of the left tank battery compartment 44A to it is marked with letter B to the extension wire you connected to 49A previous assembly stage, Note, route the wiring and extension wiring through the front centre frame 29A as shown. Oh, this is getting on my nerves now. This wiring here, they told us to put it down the side here, and now they're telling us it needs to go through there. Why don't they make their mind up? It's like 1 minute they show us the wiring coming out of there, and then it's coming out the side, and then it's coming out the back. So now you see that connector will not go through that hole. How annoying is that? There we go, it's gone through. Okay, so this has got to go through there and through there. Yeah. And then it's going to connect to the letter B wire on here. And I've got all this wiring in a bag, so it's going to have to come out of the bag. Just like so. There's the wire B. So we're going to untangle that with the wire C. We'll pull it out over the top there so it's not tangled up. And then that is going to connect to this wire B here. Okay, and then we can put it all back in the bag again, is my suggestion. You don't have to do this. This isn't DeAgostini's suggestion. This is mine. There are a few little things I would like to do differently, but one of the conditions of them sending me these, sponsoring these videos, is that I adhere to the instructions. The one change I would have made, I was going to suggest, was drilling a hole in the back of here and have the wires come out the back. But as it turns out, the wires are coming out the side, so I'm glad I didn't make that change. But just bear that in mind during your build. You know, perhaps look ahead before you start, you know, permanently taping wiring in place or something, because like with this, 1 minute it was there with one coming here, and then it was all back here. This has been out here, back here. They even tell you to run it along the side here, and then they have you connect it there. So there we go. So this is how the assemble remote control should look. Keep it in a safe place with the battery removed. So you could keep it in this tray if you wanted to, but it's a waste of space. We'll just keep it in a box. I've got a box of parts behind me here. Yeah, and there's nothing big enough to hold the remote, so we'll just we'll sort something out. There we go then, guys. So that's it for this month. There's been a lot of part work action this month. I'm sorry, this last week, because everything's come at the same time. I've had the Mustang, the Lancaster and the Ferrari all within about 3 days. So that's absolutely incredible. So there we go. This is by far my favourite build. This is absolutely really enjoyable. Really enjoying this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all soon in about a month's time for pack for delivery number 11, which is going to be pack 51 to 56, I'm guessing. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.